Well, hello there. Now, lately there's been an awful lot of talk about wind chill and its effect on our having or not having school. And while I'm making no commentary on whether we are or are not going to have school at any given time, I just want to share some scientific information with you. So, what you see here is a wind chill chart. You've got temperature across the top, wind across the bottom, and then what you see inside the chart then is the wind chill. And then you've got, how long does it take to get frostbite and whatnot, given that information. So, when you look at it here, you'll notice that temperatures we're going to see, here, and winds we're going to see there. You're looking at wind chills in this region. So let's get some actual data here. I happen to trust Fox 8. They've got really good meteorologists. So if you look here at Thursday, we got like a -10 up to 3 degrees. So let's work with a -10 and a speed here at 18 miles an hour. Go back to that. So -10 and a speed of 18 miles an hour. So you're looking at wind chills 28 to 30 below. Now, here's the thing. The one thing you can never count on is the wind. You just can't count on the wind. So you can't count on wind chills that low. But -10 is cold. And then when you look at 3 degrees, so somewhere in here, and you got speeds of 18 miles an hour, so you're somewhere here in the mid-teens with that. And that's just something to think about when you look at the weather. Then you look at during the day Friday, between 8 and 11. 8 and 11, that's not that cold, honestly, and you get 16 miles an hour. So 8 degrees, go back to our little chart again. 8 degrees, again, you're right here with 18, 16 miles an hour wind again. So now you're only looking in this region of the chart with that. So that's one way to look at it. Another way, and this is one of my favorite things to look at when you're looking at a fun forecast, is go to NOAA.gov. That's where we're at here, at the National Oceanographic and Atmospheric Administration. I really like this website. I'm going to put in Avon Lake here, 44012. Go. And you get a chart like a lot of things out there. And what we're going to do is we're going to scatter down to my favorite thing. And that is this, the hourly weather graph. And it comes up with all kinds of fun stuff. You'll notice we're looking at a 48-hour period starting, right now I'm taking it Wednesday at 1 p.m. So when I look down here, wind chill's the blue, temperature's the red line. Sorry, that's off your screen. Actually, what if I pause if I can move it? So looking at the screen now, temperatures, they're saying overnight Thursday, that's tonight, temperature getting down to 2 to 3 degrees. And they're saying with a wind speed of 13 to 15 miles an hour here, we're going to have 20 to 23 as a negative temperature. And then when you look over here overnight Friday, they're saying down to -12 right there. With wind speeds, though, they're only 7 to 5 miles an hour. That's not that extreme of a wind. So it's really a combination of things if you're purely considering the cold. Now, one of my favorite things when you look at this graph is if you're looking for sports, precipitation potential by the hour. That's kind of fun. And then you'll notice here the snow. And when we have a big storm coming in, they'll block it off in certain hour increments and show you how many inches of snow they expect during each hour. And that's kind of fun to sit there and add up how many inches of snow you might get. But that's what wind chill does. Wind chill is it's a factor of, the wind speed and what it feels like on your skin. And then when you look at how long it takes to get frostbite, it's something to think about. And so think about that when you are or are not excited, because people have made rumors about school cancellations at various times.